patient when my mama tried to teach me. Gotta stay slime, make sure you shot. My boyfriend said they call me VV. Stay on top, you gon' grindin' until we eatin'. That's what my brothers.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see today, I am a bald bitch. So today, we will be doing the bald cap method to get them wigs and laces laid hunty. So if you're interested in this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we're gonna get right into it, no chatting. First off, you need to make sure your hair is like braided flat. My hair braids down flat, so I have like 6 braids in my head, and I got a brown cap. If you're in my complexion and you don't have a brown cap, you could just do it with a nude cap and then just put makeup on it. But I don't know, I don't think I need to put makeup, but I'm gonna still put makeup because the last time I put on this wig, it wasn't giving me, like, it was looking like scalp, but it was a little too light because it's a transparent lace, and I don't really like the transparent lace. I wanted to try it out, but it's a little too white, so I gotta get like HD lace or something. Like the transparent lace, I ain't fucking with it. So first, we're gonna get some makeup and we're gonna put it on our cap. So I'm gonna be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop because that's like my favorite foundation right now, or one of my favorites. Is this the right one? On the back of my hand. I'm trying to be careful because when I first was trying to get this whole setup, I dropped my whole plant mirror and everything. It was a hot mess. So I'm gonna just take my beauty blender. You could use a brush. Sometimes I use a brush, sometimes I use a beauty blender, and just pat it in there. Oh, and also before you put on the cap, you're gonna wanna take some sea breeze or some alcohol and clean off your scalp, because if you got makeup or oil or grease or whatever, your wig is gonna lift mad easy. So do that. I didn't do that, but it's whatever because I'm putting makeup on my cap anyway, so it's gonna seep through anyway. You don't need to do this step. Actually, I would recommend you do this step after you glue your wig, but sometimes they get a little messy with the glue, so I'm gonna just do it now and we're gonna see how that happens, because usually I do this after I glue my cap down. But we're gonna just put this on here.
You can just do it with the front or and your middle part. I prefer to put makeup on my cap and on my wig underneath instead of like doing a line with the foundation, because I feel like it looks more natural. Like you can see when you do the line on top of the wig.
Do y'all see how long my stripper eyelashes are? Bruh, I got these from AliExpress and I didn't know these shits was gonna be so long. I'm gonna have to cut these shits.
But yeah, the wig cap wasn't bad, but I want to make sure it's my color because that transparent lace is light as hell. It's like a...
Mine is a 13 by 6, so I'll make sure it go all the way back. Alright, so the glue I'm using today is Ghost Bond. Mine look rusty, crusty, and dusty and have a whole bunch of hair and stuff on it, but we're not gonna pay that anymore. We're gonna use Ghost Bond. I always use Ghost Bond. There's other glues out there that I like too. Like Cling is good, Bold Hold is good, but I don't know. I just always get Ghost Bond because it's the most convenient one for me to find. So I that's what I'm gonna use. But let me come a little closer, up close and personal. So bitch, all right. My hairline is all the way back here. I got a big ass forehead. I know. I be hiding it under my wigs. Honestly, I should cut my ear out first. We're gonna cut our ears out first, y'all. Cut it like that. Boom. And push my ear through it. Bitch. Oh my god. Okay, I'm cussing too much. It's YouTube. Boom. Now we can hear. And my hairline is all the way back here. But I'm gonna put it, you wanna put the glue to where your wig is gonna stop. So, and don't make it touch your hairline, because that's how you ain't gonna have no edges, sis. You're not gonna have no edges. So make sure it's far from the hairline. And y'all, I'm blind. I wear glasses, so I'm like, yeah, although I'm right up and close and personal, and these big ass eyelashes.
I don't like, see, I didn't cut this. This should have been down more, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine.
I'm taking, what do you call this? Like a brush for dyeing hair. I don't know where none of my tail combs is at. So this is what we about to use. Use a tail comb, but mine has a lot of glue and stuff on it. Don't judge me. I'm gonna see if I could get this shit off actually. And it's coming off. Boom.
So you're gonna spread this out. You're gonna spread it. Make sure you don't touch your hairline. Like, you wanna make sure it's probably like a half inch from your hair where you put your glue, because you don't want it to touch it. I clearly didn't put enough glue on this side.
I'll be trying not to put too much, because if you put too much, oh, see, like that. Don't do that shit. That shit I just did, don't do that. I look like I'm about to fly away. Anyways, look. So, alright, that wasn't too bad. Just smooth it out. No, this is not too hard. A lot of people have problems with this. I had problems doing this when it first came out. I remember when it first came out, I was a freshman in college. And I couldn't do this shit to save my life. And I did it. Those were my got to be glue days, y'all. And got to be spray days. I don't use that shit no more. Usually, okay, I do use it, actually. I use it to put on my wig cap. Usually, I do not use my Ghost Bond to put on my wig cap because it's easier to come off, and I just think it's better. It's better to just use your Ghost Bond to put your wig on. But we don't have any, so this is what we're using today. But the first time I did it, like, it didn't stick. It was a hot mess. I had to rip everything off, and I was tight, and I was like, I'll never do this again. Now look at me. It's the only way I put my wigs on. It's also protective. The stocking cap protecting your hair. Okay, see, I should have stretched that out more. It's hard to see on the camera, like. I'm grilling y'all. Y'all, this is a hot mess. This first lay is a hot mess, but it's okay. Cause it don't even. Alright. Then you're gonna take your blow dryer and dry it. Alright, it basically dried clear. So you're gonna do it like, usually I do it like 2-3 times. Let's see how many times I'm gonna do it today.
We're gonna do it 3 times to be sure. And we're gonna go back again with some glue. That was supposed to happen. I'm putting my glue on this shit. Let me stop cussing. My hairline is freaking weird. I guess y'all, I be having my wigs way on my forehead because I have a big ass forehead. On my big forehead.
About to be our last layer because the way it's looking, I don't need another one. I'm gonna clean this off with some sea breeze. This is kind of dull, but we about to use it. Alright, let me come a little closer. We're gonna cut right in the middle. And then you're gonna cut really close to where the glue is at. Don't cut your face off now, because if you cut your face, it was not my fault. It was your fault. Almost cut my ear off, y'all. I'm gonna just cut it this way. And then get right here. Okay, see, that is not glued down properly. But that's okay, we could fix that. We're gonna cut right here. And then I'm gonna put some more glue on that because clearly that needs some more glue. This part might need some too. I think it's the way I cut the air part. Yup. Definitely is. Yeah, right here didn't glue down properly. Alright, I'm gonna put some more glue right there. Alright, so I kind of fixed it, kind of didn't. It's whatever. I cut the air part too high, so that's why that happened. But now I am going to start layering on my glue to put on my wig. But let me try and see how this is about to look. My wig look a hot mess because it's not styled or nothing. I just washed it. I just want to make sure it match up with the wig perfect, and it's fine. So we're gonna add on our glue. You know, like the glue to stop right where that line is. You want it to go a little in front of it. Alright, I'm back. She's on, glued down. I'm about to just blow it out because it's still a little damp. I have a track in the back that is loose and I need to like fix it. But for right now, we're gonna just not pay it no mind. I should have did a tutorial on how I colored this hair. Everybody likes it. Like when I was coloring it, I didn't really like it. But then when I put it on, the first time I put it on, I was messing with it. I'm gonna just run the flat iron through this. Not do nothing too crazy. Let's see what's going on under this. I done melted the damn brush. Clearly, I'm not thinking. I done melted my damn brush. You see, now my hairline is giving it's a wig. It's giving thick edges. It's okay though. We're going to fix that. There's some parts in the front that's not laid. That's not glued down properly. Look at her, sis, bad bitch. Okay, we are back. So I did some baby hairs in there. I flat ironed it lightly. It ain't fully pressed. Now for my baby hairs, I use Tropical Roots setting foam. This is not my favorite, but it's good too. My favorite is Nairobi. That Nairobi is crack. Okay, honey, it's because I couldn't get the Nairobi. I got this one. Like this probably like next best thing from what I've tried. But Nairobi, that's it. But yes, girl. It's given. I'm about to steal your man. But anyways. Oh, also, I used. Where is it? It's not here. But I probably insert a picture of it right here. BioSilk on my hair to calm down the frizz. But I ain't like get my hair OD press, so yeah. But I use BioSilk when I flat iron my hair. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also, if you want an in-depth video on how I put on my wigs, how I do baby hair, whatever, just comment down below. And thank you. Bye.